In this scenario, we learn to produce a report indicating the total of numbers under class A and class B, column by column in this gray area. So to begin with, just as we've done for class A, we merge class B. So we highlight across, then go to the Home tab. Then select Merge and Center. Once we do this, we come to the gray area, the very first cell, and then attempt to add by pressing Alt equal to. So I begin to select from my first entry. Then I attempt to drag down to select the range of cells. But we realize there is a header here which has been created by the merge cell. So I'm not able to add across because of the merge cell we have here. To go around this, we are going to undo the merge again by going to Home, then dropping down, select on merge cells. Okay, so at this point we highlight across the full breadth of the data and then press Ctrl 1, which opens for us the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure your Alignment tab is selected, and then under that you go to Horizontal and select Center Across Selection. Then go to OK. Once we do that, you realize the cells have been merged again. But the difference between this merging and this is that when you click here, you realize there are no individual cells. But when you come to class B, there are individual cells. But you still see the same effect as it is for class B. So the data itself is really sitting in the first cell, as you can see from the formula bar. So if you want to make any changes to this type of merge cell, you can do it from here. So let's assume it's class C. I've been able to effect the change. Okay, so let me just undo. So if you want to make any changes, you do it in the first cell. That's when you use the Ctrl 1 approach. So the difference or the impact this is making is that we will be able to now add across the merge cell. So I press Alt equal to, and then begin highlighting from 34 all the way through to 30. Then press Enter. Then I copy the formula across. This is showing the total for this. It's also showing the total for the third column. The first one is also doing same. Hope this helps you with your daily reports. Thank you.